first thing we're gonna want to do is remove the battery box, remove the battery, and we should be able to get to it. And now it's 2 bolts right here, and there's a little clip that holds this line into place, and it should be able to come right out. Alright, so I'm having a problem getting this bolt off. So what I'm gonna do is remove the bracket. There's a bolt here and a bolt on the other side. And that should let me take it out, and I'll figure out how to get the bolt out once I get everything out. When I got it out, I can better try to get this bolt out. So I got it out, but unfortunately it was so tight that it ended up breaking the mount. So I'm gonna order a new mount and continue this video in a second. Alright y'all, a couple days later, we got the bracket from ECS Tuning. Let's see. Here's the BMW Mini part number. Alright, let's get it installed. So it's been a couple days since that last clip y'all saw. I wanted to make sure everything was working properly before I closed out this video. So got the new bracket in, got the new slave in, bled the clutch slave. To bleed the clutch slave, you're going to need to rig up something to keep this pushed in all the way. So this needs to be pushed in all the way, and it needs to stay like that, and then you bleed the clutch the same way you would bleed brakes with the bleeder valve right here. It's a little complicated bleeding the clutch. You're going to need 2 people definitely, unless you got a power bleeder or something. But yeah, that's going to be it. Everything's running smooth. It's been about 2 days and there's no issues, so I'll catch you on the next video.